Good morning, dear students. In the previous section, we had a discussion about the iteration and the comparison about the conditional statement and iteration. At what situation we cannot use the conditional statements? That is, we are not using a conditional statement in repeating the things or repeating the task. Sometimes computer may want the task will be repeatedly executed. If it want, then we need to use some possibilities here. That is iteration in the sense, in general form, iteration is a repetition. In general form, we are going to call it as iteration as a repetition here. So here, repeating the variable, printing repeatedly that variable, it may the situation, or repeatedly printing the patterns, that will be the situation. If we are using the some square root to find out ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that will be the situation. The possible situations are those the things. Okay, let me learn about the iteration. So what happens, the problem is, if you use the conditional statement in the repetition, that is, in previous session I told that if we want to print x, how many times you want to print? Assume that you want to print it 5 times, then you need to write how much conditional statements here? 5 conditional statements. If you want to print 6 times, how much conditional statement? 6 conditional statements. It goes repeatedly in the sense, if it is 1000, then you need to write 1000 conditional statements. If it is lakh, then 1 lakh or 2 lakh, 3 lakh, depends on the number that will be the conditional statements. So it is very hectic to write a code. For one situation, you are going to write a 1 lakh of lines of a code, in the sense, how much the code will be. It is the one situation in the code. It is not a code. It is one situation in the code. So if you are writing a 10,000 to 20,000 line for one situation, there may be a 5 situations. How much? 10,000 into double. That is a lakh together. You are going to write a lines of codes. So to reduce that line of code, we are having a topic called iteration. Who is going to help us to iterate the things? Who is going to help us to iterate the things? Two main characters. That is, characters in the sense, the wide role they are going to play. One is while, second one is for. Already you know that. Already you know that while and for are the iterative purpose looping statements. These are the main two things used in an iterative loop. These are the main things. While and for loop. While is going to evaluate the expressions, and for is also used for the things. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, while loop does not support increment and decrement within that body. ಫಾರ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇನೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಅದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆನೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆನೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ವೈಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಔಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇಟರೇಟಿವ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾನು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. This is what a difference. So these are the main things. So we know that how to write the while in C programming, while in Java, while in what we call other programming language. We don't know the thing how to write in a Python. So how to write a while program, that is a while statement in Python. This is what the main thing in today's class we are going to learn. In the next class we are going to learn for loop. While is a statement. It gives the true or false. That is, we had drawn some flowchart yesterday. Now the flowchart ಅನ್ನು draw ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Code, then it is going to be tested. If it is false, it will directly jump to the code, or else loop body will be executed. If it is false, if it is true. After executing the loop body, it will go again to the test. It will go to again to the test. It will be repeated until the condition get false here. Until condition get false. So how to write the while loop, sir? In Python, what is the syntax? What is the syntax? The syntax is very simple. It is while. Syntax for while is while expression, while expression, again colon, again colon. Here comes block of statements. Here comes the block of statement. This how we are going to write. This how we are going to write the syntax. Whether the syntax is clear to you now? That is, while is a keyword, while is a looping statement used to loop. Okay, expression in the sense there we may get conditions, we may get expressions. Until that expression get false, the looping will be executed. The body will be looped. Okay, when this expression get false, that will jump to the next statement. That will jump to the next statement, which is returned along with the. If it is true, this block of code will be executed. If it is false, the statement is going to be executed. Are you clear with this one? Are you clear with this one? Okay, so based on this while, we are going to write a program for squares. So let me write a program here. So for square, I am writing a program. Square. Listen. What I need first, initially, what I need here. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? So I need variables. According to the things, I need a variables. How many variables I need? How many variables I need? Suppose I will clear it. I need initial 3 object. First thing, namage initial object yavu beku? 3. I am going to write in my program 3. I cannot directly assign 3, so I need a one variable that equal to, you can take any kind of a name here. I am going to take A. I am going to take A here. A equal to 3. First I declared, because initially I want 3. Then I need to add 3 for this. Then I need to add 3 for this. Then I will get a 6. Then I will get a 9 by adding to the 6. Idu concept matter. So ಒಂದು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿತದ? 6 ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯಾವುದು? 3. 9 ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯಾವುದು? 6. ಇದು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ? ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ. Just take it as answer. Initial value ಏನು ಇರಬೇಕು ಅದರದ್ದು? Initial value will be 0, because what ಇದರ previous value ಏನು ಇರಬೇಕು? 3 ದ previous value ಏನು ಇರಬೇಕು ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಎದರ ಜೊತೆ +3 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಎದರ ಜೊತೆ +3 ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ 3 ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. The only one is 0. 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9. This is what the concept I am going to use now. What will be the initial answer? Initial answer, that is 0. That is 0 I am taking. Have you got this one? Next, what I need to do? I need a variable for iteration purpose. How many times it have to iterate? 1, 2, 3 times. How many times? 3 times it have to iterate. Repeat. So what I am going to take is Iter's. Don't take it as a iter. You can take here any variable. I'm going to take iter's. Iter's is equal to, yes, should be capital, ITRS, iter's. So ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ನಾ ಎದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು 3 ಲೂಪ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೂಪ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ? 3 ಲೂಪ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. 3 ಎದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಅಸೈನ್ ಅದ? a. Indirectly I am going to tell that iter's is equal to a. a ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅದ? 3. iter's ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಈಗ? 3. let me draw a box here. Let me draw a box here. What that box contains? What that box contains? First, how many times you are going to test it? How many times you are going to test it? Next, that is x value. That is a value. That is a value here. Next, it is going to be answer. Next part is answer. The last one is iterated. That is iter's. Just I am writing a simple program to implement this concept. The concept is by adding the previous value plus 3 and add ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತದಾಗ I am going to get a square ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Okay, let me write a code here. What is the condition I may get? What is the condition I may get for a while? While condition ಏನು ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ನಾನು? Yes. ಇದು 0 ಆಗುವವರೆಗೂ ಯಾವುದು? This one. 3 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. 3 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. All 3 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಉಳಿತೇನು? 0 ಉಳಿತೈತಿ. All 3 ಇಟರೇಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಟರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ 0 iterations. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ iter's ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. while iter's not equal to 0. This one is true ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Until it becomes false, I need to repeat. What I need to repeat here? Just once again. What I need to repeat in the sense, I need to repeat ans is equal to ans plus a. Ans is equal to ans plus a, that is answer is equal to answer plus a. Next what happens? I need to decrement because this iter's should be equal to 0. After some certain conditions, iter's is equal to be 0. Then only you get the false. Okay. So what I am going to do is iter's is equal to iter's minus 1 because I need to be decremented. 3 agana 2, 2 agana 1, 1 agana 0. If it is equal to 0, the answer will be stopped there. That's what the condition I am writing. Decrementing the statement. I am decrementing the statement. Okay. Well, iter's is equal to iter minus 1. So let me take up here. Lastly, I need to print the values here. How to print the values, sir? How to print the values? By using the print statement. Print. What is the value I need to print is, that is sorry for the disturbance here. So what I need to do is str of a into str of a into str of a equal to that I am going to write it in here, comma str of ans. That is I am going to print the answer here. STR of A into STR of A is equal to ST square. 3 into 3, that is 6. Okay. So let me trace the program first. Let me trace the program first. If I am an interpreter, I am going to trace it. First test I am doing now. How many tests I am doing now? It is my first test. In first test, I'll come here. In first test, I am going to come here. Let's go read it. First test, I am going to come here. A is equal to 3 other. I will update 3 as it is. Next line I am going to come. Answer is equal to 0. Answer another 0 other. Iteration is how much? Iteration is equal to 3 because I have assigned A is equal to iters. What A contains? 3. The iters is equal to 3 here. Iters is equal to 3 here. I will come to the first test. While iters, what is the iters value here? 3. 3 not equal to 0. Condition becomes true because 3 is not equal to 0. The condition becomes true here. It will come here. It will come here. What is the ans value here? Ans value is 0 plus A value is 3. What answer will be updated? 3. The ans value is 3. What happens about iters value? Iters is equal to 3 other. Iters is equal to 3 other. Iters is equal to 3 other. So 3 minus 1, iters becomes 2. Update the values here. Update the values here. So iter becomes 2, answer becomes 3, A will be again the 3, A value doesn't change here, A value is constant because A is upper side from the loop, when until the loop last moment the A is equal to 3. So again this will be repeated here. Now iter value is is 2. 2 not equal to 0. Condition becomes true here. Now, what is the ans value now? 3. What is the A value? 3. It becomes 6. See here, second test I am doing now. Second test I am doing. Answer value is 3. Plus A value is 3. 3 plus 3, it becomes 6. It becomes 6 here. In the third test, what I am going to get the answer as a 6. What about the iters? 2 minus 1. Iters will be updated as 1. Iters will be updated as 1. What will be the A value for third test? 3 itself. Come again. What is the iter value now? What is the iter value? Iter value is 1. Iter value is 1. 1 not equal to 0. Condition becomes true here. Condition becomes true here. Next, what will be the thing here? What will be the thing? That is answer value in a relay. Answer value is 6. 6 plus 3, 9. What is the iter value? 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Here comes 0 not equal to 0. Condition becomes false. Condition becomes false here. What is the answer? What is the answer? That is, the output will be, we'll update ಮಾಡಿದ value ಏನದ fourth test ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದ ಮುಂಚೆ update ಆಗ್ತಿರೋ value. Answer is 9. This one is 0. This one is 3. I will check the first condition. Iter value ಏನೈತಿ 0. 0 not equal to 0. Condition becomes false. The answer will be printed. The answer will be printed. So let me execute this code. Let me execute this code first. Okay. Why I'm going to stop the record in the sense in between the interruption will be there. I will erase the board. It is not necessary to record. That's why I'm going to stop the record in between. Okay. I will share the screen now to execute the program. We are going to write the program. Okay, that is while program share. Now it is looking whether it is visible. Raise your hands if it is visible. Raise your hand if it is visible. Well, what happens here? I'm going to write x equal to 3, that is a is equal to 3. I am going to write a is equal to 3. Next, ans is equal to 0. Next one will be the iters. Don't take it as a iter because it is a keyword. Iter is a keyword. Actually, iter is a keyword in Python. So I will take iter capital S. Okay, is equal to a. Iter S is equal to a here. So what I am going to do now? File. What is that? Iters. Iters not equal to, sorry for the interruptions, not equal to not equal, sorry, not equal to 0. The letter is not equal to 0 here. Next is, we'll update, we'll take an indentation here. We need to take an indentation, that is ans ans is equal to ans plus a. Ans plus a. Whether the screen is visible to you, raise your hand. What I am doing, it is visible to you? Yes. What I need to do now? Iters is equal to iters minus 1. After this, while nodri indentation elli kodta idini nodri, I need to print the values. That is print str. Someone is asking why the string, sir? Why the string? I think so yaro ask kelidru question ana. So now the when we execute the program, you will get what is the intention of string. Str of a. Str of a space plus into the, okay, I'm going to use again the plus here, again the plus str of a, str of a plus equal to equal to equal to I can write like this. I can write like this. Plus str of ans. Str of answer. If you do like this, the whatever in the a is integer object. Whatever in the a is integer object. But this plus is acting as, this plus is acting as concatenation. If you take as it is a plus a, it will act as addition. it will cause the error. It will cause the error. Okay, it will cause the error. That's why I'm converting it to the string. I'm converting it to the string. After this, I will save this one. I'll pause the recording because I need to share another screen, that is a command output. Okay. Is it visible to you now? This code is visible to you. This code is visible to you. Raise your hand. Yes. See, my dear students, if I run this one, it will give the error, that is run module. Is it error is visible to you, invalid syntax? Yes. Why it is? And it is showing the line also. And it is showing that it is highlighting the line as a pink color. Why it is? Because what is the syntax? While expression colon. While expression colon. I not use the colon here. I not use the colon. So what I need to do now? I need to modify this one. I'm going to use colon here. Control yes. I will run the module now. Yes. Here also one error I am getting. I will show that one. Here also I am getting an error. I will show that one. Whether that error command is visible to you. Whether that error command is visible to you. Whether it is not visible, raise your hand. If it is not visible, raise your hand. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಎರರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ, ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ. Okay, well, I will pause recording. Raise your hand if it is visible. Yes. The name error we got here. The error, name error. Iter's, ITERS. Iter's is not defined. Here, iter's is capital, yes is capital, but I took it as in printing. Here I took it as yes small. Yes small agi tagondide. Whether it is visible now, whether this is visible now, the code is visible to you, whether this code is visible to you, raise your hand. Okay, I will modify it. Yes, iter's as a capital. Is modified program is visible to you now? Where I modified it is visible to you now? Raise your hand.